Welcome back to Next Gen World. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing robotic innovations out of Japan at the CORLEO, Kawasaki's robotic horse. Yes, you heard that right, a robot, a broken bar shaped like a horsey broken bar built by the motorcycle legends at Kawasaki Heavy Industries. And it's not just a sci-fi shop, you say, it's real, it moves, and it might be a glimpse into the future of personal mobility and robotics. Let's break it down. So, what exactly is CORLEO? CORLEO is part of Kawasaki's ambitious robotics development program, and you might know they already created humanoid robots like Bex and Kaleido, but this time, they took inspiration from nature in a completely different direction. Rather than designing another wheeled machine or a walking humanoid, Kawasaki asked the bold question: what if we built a robot that walks like a quadruped but is rideable like a motorcycle? And that's where CORLEO comes in. At first glance, CORLEO looks like something straight out of a cyberpunk anime. Imagine a mechanical horse, but stripped down to its muscular, skeletal essence. Its legs mimic the natural movement of a real horse but are powered by advanced actuators, hydraulic systems, and a brain full of AI. The name CORLEO actually stems from combining Cora, the central tech driving it, with Leo, Latin for lion, symbolizing strength and grace. Now here's what makes it even crazier: CORLEO isn't just a tech demo, it's rideable. Like a futuristic motorcycle with legs, it's been designed for humans to climb on and control. When Kawasaki demoed it in Japan, audiences were stunned to see a human literally riding this robotic creature as it trotted forward, balancing itself over uneven ground. But here's the thing, this isn't just about cool factor. Kawasaki is working on real-world applications for robots like CORLEO. They believe machines like this could one day be used for search and rescue missions in rough terrain, or even as personal transport devices in the distant future. Think of areas where wheels fail, like muddy slopes, rocky hills, disaster zones. A robotic horse like CORLEO can navigate these better than most traditional vehicles. And let's not forget how this isn't just movement. CORLEO is smart. Kawasaki is working on integrating sensors and AI for balance control, terrain analysis, and adaptive movement. The robot can respond in real time to shifting surfaces, obstacles, or commands from the rider. In a sense, it learns how to walk more like a living animal than a rigid robot. One of the standout features is its modular leg system. Each leg is designed to replicate a real animal limb, jointed, reactive, and precise. This allows CORLEO to maintain stability even when one or more legs encounter trouble. And unlike wheeled vehicles, CORLEO's legs can step over obstacles or climb small barriers without getting stuck. As of now, Kawasaki hasn't released full specs, but based on their previous work with Bex, another quadruped robot, it's likely that CORLEO is equipped with a combination of electric motors and hydraulics, giving it both power and finesse. And let's be honest, seeing it in motion is nothing short of mesmerizing. You might be wondering, why robotic horse? Why not just stick to motorcycles and bikes? Well, Japan has a deep-rooted fascination with robotics, nature, and biomimicry. Kawasaki wanted to explore a new form of mobility that blends machine efficiency with organic adaptability. A horse has evolved over millions of years to master terrain. Kawasaki's engineers wanted to bring that same adaptability into robotics. It's also worth noting that Kawasaki isn't doing this alone. They're part of Japan's broader initiative to bring robotics into mainstream society, not just in factories or labs, but in daily life. With Japan's aging population and labor shortages in rural areas, robots like CORLEO could one day assist with farming, transportation, or even companionship. And beyond that, it's just a broken bar awesome. CORLEO feels like a symbol of where technology is headed, blending AI, robotics, mobility, and creativity into something that looks like it belongs in a video game or sci-fi movie. It makes us wonder, in a few decades, will we see robotic horses replacing scooters in our cities? Will kids ride mechanical creatures to school instead of bikes? Could emergency teams deploy a squad of CORLEOs into disaster zones? There's no telling how far this technology can go, but one thing is clear: Kawasaki is pushing the boundaries of what machines can be. They're not just creating transportation, they're building companions, helpers, maybe even co-workers. Right now, CORLEO is still a prototype, it's not for sale, and there's no official release date, but knowing Kawasaki and Japan's drive for innovation, it's likely that we'll see more advanced versions in the near future. Maybe one day, you'll get a chance to ride one yourself. Before we wrap up, imagine a future where your personal vehicle isn't just a car or a bike but a robotic creature that walks beside you, learns your habits, adapts to your environment, and feels more like a partner than a machine. That's the vision CORLEO is hinting at, and we're absolutely here for it. So what do you think? Would you ride a robotic horse through the streets? Do you think machines like this will be the future of mobility? Or is it all just sci-fi hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the future with us here on Next Gen World. We'll be back soon with more insane tech and innovation from across the globe. Till then, stay curious, stay futuristic.